A man charged with a murder for killing a man more than 30 years ago went to court today for his initial court appearance. It happened in Hamilton County just this afternoon.
So court records say that Thomas Anderson Jr. admitted his involvement to police but blames another man for the killing. Rich Nye explains the alleged accomplice is a town official in Atlanta, Indiana.
Tony Bledsoe, a 24-year-old husband and father of 3 from Arcadia, went missing March 16, 1992. Court records say that Thomas Anderson Jr. told police that Bledsoe was killed inside this duplex in Noblesville on that day in a dispute over stolen car parts. In those court filings, Anderson told state police the man he lived with here, Andy Emmert, shot Bledsoe, then stabbed him multiple times before Anderson hit Bledsoe in the head with a bat. Court records say that Anderson and Emmert dismembered Bledsoe, dumping his torso in Putnam County. Human remains were found there in April 1992, but they were not identified as Bledsoe until 2018, when police got a tip from Anderson's nephew. Emmert works for the town of Atlanta. In October, state police searched town buildings and Emmert's home, seizing 2 classic Oldsmobile Cutlass cars, the same kind of car Bledsoe drove. Court records say police recovered a knife from a safe in Emmert's house that matched the description given by Anderson. But Emmert is not facing any charges and has not been named a suspect.
At this point in time, we only have enough to charge one person, Thomas Anderson. This remains an open investigation.
Emmert answered the phone when I called him Wednesday. He said, "I have no comment about anything," before hanging up. The town of Atlanta put Emmert on administrative leave back in October after state police searched the town buildings and Emmert's home. But that was just temporary. Emmert had returned to his duties as utilities and street superintendent and building commissioner. The town offices were closed Wednesday without explanation. In Atlanta, Rich Nye, 13 News.
The Atlanta Town Council just announced that it will hold an executive session on Tuesday to discuss issues recently brought to light. This will be a private meeting before the regular council meeting. Meantime, Thomas Anderson Jr. is held without bond. Today, he was assigned a public defender and scheduled for a jury trial in September.